discuss more about the trading session that was today and what we can expect tomorrow, let's call on board Amar Singh, Senior Vice President Research at Angel One. And Amar, hi. Good afternoon and thanks so much for joining us on your trades today. First of all, wishing you and your entire team a very happy new year.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you and wish you the same.
Thanks so much, Amar. Give us a sense of what you are making of the markets. This kind of rally that we've seen today, is this a one-off? Can we expect better days, if not to the extent of a 2% uptick at least, but still some more better days on the charts? Is that what the Nifty is indicating to you right now?
I would say that if you look at the way Nifty has bounced back today, that definitely is a positive sign in the sense that it shows that somewhere or the other on the downside, 23,400, 500, that is acting as a very strong support. And from where Nifty has bounced back. Having said that, the way Nifty has bounced back, so a lot of shorts definitely would have got squeezed today. So we would have witnessed a short covering, decent short covering as well. Whereas on the upside, Nifty could meet with some sort of resistance around the 24,200 to 300 zone, not far from the current levels. That's the level where Nifty could meet with some sort of selling pressure. I would say today it was across the board, as you rightly said. We've seen some very sharp moves in the auto space and also in the IT space. So they've really helped, and also Bajaj Twins. So these stocks in particularly have helped the index move up sharply today. But sustaining at higher levels, definitely that's not going to be easy for the market because there would be profit booking coming in. On the upside, immediate zone of resistance is somewhere at 24,200, 300. If that is taken out, then the index could rally towards 24,400 to 500. That would be the next zone of resistance for the index.
So we saw that higher calls were being bought, but now you see higher level from here also. So in that case, Amar, do tell us what would be your recommendations for our viewers?
Yeah, so there are two recommendations. One is from the financial space and the other is from the auto space. So on the from the financial space, SBI cards and payment, this is one stock which really has corrected significantly. If you look at the stock has corrected from almost 1150 levels. Currently, it's around 700. Recently made a low of almost 660 and then has bounced back. And the good part is that even on the selling, volumes had subsided, and on buying days the volumes have increased. So clearly on the downside, it seems to be very strongly supported around the 660 level or so. So this is one stock one can look at buying. SBI cards, so buying at the current levels with a stop loss below 680 and a target of 737 in the short term. And the second stock to look at is from the auto space, and that is Bajaj Auto. See, what has happened in Bajaj Auto is that the stock has corrected quite sharply, but it has been forming a base for quite long. And if you look at the charts on the daily charts, we've seen some good buying coming in over the last, I would say, 3 to 4 weeks, and on significant volumes on specific days. And today also volumes have been decent enough. So I would say this is one stock one can look at from a short-term perspective. These are all more from a trading perspective, because if I look at Bajaj Auto, on the higher side, it's going to meet with resistance because the intermediate term structure still remains weak. So from a shorter term perspective, buying at the current levels with a stop loss of 8765 and a target of 9530 on the upside can be kept.
For joining us and taking the time out to explain to us what you're expecting on the markets as well as your stock specific picks. So SBI Card and Bajaj Auto have made it to Amar's technical radar. But on